Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can Dropbox a video from your file explorer into the Dropbox directly. To do so, simply log into your Dropbox account from Google Chrome by going into the Dropbox website like I already am, and after logging into your account, it will be on the home page of Dropbox. And here you can see a upload a drop option on the top of your screen. If you click on it, you can see that these three options again appear. From here, simply select on the file option, and now after selecting that, a small folder will open up where now you are able to select the video that you want to upload from your PC directly. Now after it opens up, simply select the video that you want to upload or drop into your Dropbox, and then after selecting the video, just click on open or continue. And after doing so, simply you'll be able to see that you have successfully uploaded the video into Dropbox. This was for this video, and this is a very simple and easy tutorial on how you can upload your video from your file explorer directly into your Dropbox. I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.